Everyone, Cody with the Recast team here. We will take a look at how the System Information Tool within Right-Click Tools Enterprise Edition can help us more easily troubleshoot device issues. Without Right-Click Tools, we'll have a more manual process of digging into what the actual issue is. So maybe a user calls in with some device issues that they're having. Try to get them to explain to us what their computer name is or what their IP address is. Once we finally have that information, then we can finally jump into a remote session. And from there, we can finally start the troubleshooting process. However, with right-click tools, we have the System Information Tool that can help us identify issues without even needing to remote into the device itself. So if we right-click on this device, pull up our right-click tools, and go to our console tools, we'll find the System Information Tool. From here, we get some very useful pieces of information about this device. So we'll get info on the OS with the build number and the version number. We'll also get the last reboot, as well as if it's pending a reboot. So maybe this has been restarted a couple of weeks ago. We could identify that maybe they just need to restart, which is usually the case. But if we need to dig a little deeper, we have information on the hardware itself. Maybe the user's having problems with their Wi-Fi or something like that. We could take a look at the services that run that. And if we identify that a certain service is stopped, we can actually go ahead and click that and then start the service itself here. Maybe there's multiple user sessions running on this device that's causing it to be a little slow. We could actually go ahead and select a user if there was any users logged on and then log them off right from here without ever having to jump into that device itself. So that's just kind of a quick overview of how the System Information Tool and right-click tools can help you remotely troubleshoot device issues.